There's a way you take me up from down and place my feet on solid ground.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be making Nigerian jollof rice. This is a highly requested video, so I want you all to please stay tuned. So these are all the ingredients that I used. I want you to pause the video, take a screenshot, do whatever you need to do to make sure that you get everything on this list. Now, I don't have exact measurements because I've done this way too many times and I just feel like it's a muscle memory for me at this point. So first up, I'm gonna go ahead and roughly blend everything that you all saw just in the previous clip until it looks sort of like a consistency like this. All right. I then added to this, I think, a can and a half of tomato paste, but again, you can use your judgment. So now I'm going to make the sauce for the chicken that I made off camera, and this is everything I used for that. I just roughly blended all of these things on the screen and I fried the sauce. I really wanted a lot of the water to go down so that it could be thicker, and then I went in with, I think, a half a can of this tomato paste. All right, so again, this is the chicken that I boiled off camera. This is about 2 bags of chicken. I got it from the African store, and I am just going ahead to pour the sauce on it. I want to make sure that this is evenly spread throughout all of the chicken and make sure everything is coated. I added oil and Maggi or chicken bouillon off camera, and I baked this for about 40 or 45 minutes in the oven at like 375 degrees. So now I'm washing my rice. You want to make sure that you wash your rice until it's clear. The water is clear, okay? All right, so now I'm just cutting an onion. This is for the base of the jollof rice. This is for the stew that I am going to be using this onion for. So just take whatever size onion you would like and thinly cut it, slice it to fry it. I always like to season my oil with thyme and curry powder as well, because it just helps to bring out the taste of the overall stew. So this is the pepper mix that you all saw me mixing earlier. I just went ahead and put it in the pot to fry it, and I also added tomato paste as well, okay? So now I'm gonna go ahead and add my rice. You wanna make sure that you have more liquid than you do rice, because that's what's going to cook the rice. And here I'm just adding the chicken stock from earlier from the chicken. At this point, our chicken is ready. It's out the oven, and our jollof rice is also ready, okay? So again, you want to make sure that you have more than enough liquid to cook the rice, and you want to also add oil throughout and add salt to taste. And you will know when the rice is ready when you can press it with your finger and it gets smushed. So this is the final product. Very simple. I hope that this was an easy recipe to follow. Hope you guys like it.